Yes, sir. You need an oil change. Today, we're gonna be doing the oil change. We got the jacks ready. I have to move that forward. I'm gonna lift it. Let me see. Let's see where. I don't know if y'all can see that, but we're gonna lift it right here on this. Ow. Big cup.
Right here on this. Ow, bro. Why is it so sharp? Damn. Let me see if I can see that.
That metal piece right here is where we're gonna lift the car up at. And then we're gonna put our two jacks, one on each side. Oh, damn my knees. One here on the pinch weld. Here. This is the second pinch weld on the right side. So I'm gonna start lifting it. First, make sure your car is on, has the e-brake up, emergency brake. You don't want this car rolling around. You don't want the car rolling around. So just put your e-brake up. That thing really works. Black ice. It smells good. God. Alright. I'm gonna start lifting the car. Get back to you in a second. Lifting up the car now. Let's see. That should be good. I think the front wheels are just lifting off the ground now. Now we're gonna put our jack stands up. Oh, the little pinch buckets here. These right here. See, I lifted the car up. Okay. Get back to you in a second. Jack stands on. Jack stands on. Now, safely let this down. Slowly though. There we go. Okay. I'll tell you guys, but always remember your safety goggles. Always have your safety goggles. Don't want rust in your eyes or nothing like that. So get your safety goggles on before we get underneath the car. There we go. What you want to do is get you a 17 millimeter socket right here. Yep, 17. Pittsburgh Ratchet. This is 1/4. This is the drain plug is right here, located right here. We're gonna crack that open and we're gonna let it drip in here. But this is the oil pan. Oil pan ready to catch the oil. There's a drain plug. Let's see if I could do this with two hands. It's kind of hard. Make sure it's on loosen. Yep. It's on loosen. You want to crack that thing. Ooh, it's gonna be hard because I dope. 60,000 miles on it. Ooh, I might need to put y'all down. I'll get back to you in a second. Alright.
Gotta try. Gotta start leaking out. Make sure your pan is ready. And if you can, get that washer. There's a washer on the drain plug. Look at that oil. It's nasty.
Oh, nah. That's why I didn't want to use this one. Oh man. Alright, here's your drain plug. And let that, look how black that is. Oh my goodness. Let that drain for a second, for a few minutes, maybe a minute or two. Oh, this thing is breathing. What's going on with you? All right, I'll get back to you in a second.
I'm gonna get to the oil filter, which is right above the oil pan. Let's see, it's kind of hard to put this phone up here. There it is right there. You just wanna remove that. And it might be tight, so I need to get my tools. Cause I just tried, but this is pretty much draining. Look how dirty that oil is. Yuck, bro. Some kind of spill. But let's go get our tools.
Got my oil wrench, oil filter wrench. Gotta slide back under here. Bro, this thing is a lifesaver. Oh my God. I'm gonna show you guys that I untightened it, so let me get back under here. I just need to stretch my back or something. Give me a second. Might as well show the new oil filter that I have here. Boom. Wicks filters. You got it from O'Reilly's. Shouldn't be an issue. This is it right here. Brand new oil filter. I don't know why they make these oil filters so tight. That's the new one. It should fit. Let me show you guys the old one. All right, put on your old drain plug back on. Just put it right back in. It should. Let me wipe it off real quick.
Oh. Just wipe it. Wipe it down. I'm gonna wipe any thing on the oil pan. If it's still dripping, just be good, just put it on there. Let's see if I can show you guys right now.
Oh. Just put that right back in. We're gonna have to torque that to spec. Okay,
let me show you guys the oil filter. See if I can record it. It's the oil filter. I'm gonna take it off now. It may drip, so make sure you have your oil pan still there. See, I don't know why my flash is not turning on. But this is it right here. See, I'm spinning it. It might drip, which is gonna suck. The way they designed the car, it's gonna get all over, like, this exhaust. I don't even have exhaust on right now. Okay, boom. Here we go. Now, it might have... Oh, mine didn't drip. Mine is empty. Cut. Just slide it through.
Alright, here's the old filter. See if anything drips out of it. No, this thing was empty. Okay. Some people put oil in there. You don't need to. Always compare the two. The old one and the new one. Should be the same size. Before putting your new one on, lube it up with some oil. Ouch. Oh, I'll be back in a second. Show you guys the oil that I bought. I bought this from Costco. 5W30 oil, synthetic oil. I was told this is a really good brand, Kirkland brand. I didn't want to spend like $40 on the oil, which I probably should have. But we're gonna try this out. It should work. It should be better than what I have in there. So, but let me show you guys. I think they're 5 quarts for I think $25, which is $25, which is a really good deal.
Get you guys. Here's my new one, and you see the little thing that goes in right here. Boom. And it should just twist on and tighten it. You don't need no tools to tighten this. Just use your hands. There's some spider webs right here. Make sure you're turning clockwise, and it should just fit right on there. Oh, my neck. Okay. That is tight. Okay. That should be good. You don't need to super tighten it. Boom.
Now, with this, you want to get the torque specs and make sure you have the right torque specs for your vehicle. And we're going to torque it. Okay, I'll be back. One part, you want to get your torque wrench and then set it to whatever specs your car is for. Mine is 29 foot-pounds. It's an aluminum bolt. So yeah, we're gonna get right to it. You have it set. You want to get back under here. 60 is right here. You can move the pan now that you're done. Do it carefully. There you go. Okay. Now you got the torque wrench on there. All you want to do, bring it down till you hear a click. Okay, use my right hand. Let's see. See, there you go. Click right there. That's torque. Now you should be all set with that. Okay. Now we can get out from under here. Bring your oil pan from underneath the car or any other tools. And let's put some oil on the car, alright? After you torqued up everything, oil filters on, drain plug torque. Now you want to lift up the vehicle and take the jacks out and put it down. So let's do that now. Start the car. Let it run for about 3 minutes. 3 minutes top.